Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an invite tracker. First, identify a reputable invite tracking bot that suits your platform, like Discord. Next, add the bot to your server, ensuring it has all the required permissions, such as manage server and read message history. This allows the bot to accurately monitor invite links and track new members joining your community, providing valuable insights into your growth. It's a straightforward process. Once the bot is on your server, access its configuration panel, usually through a dashboard or specific commands. Here, you'll designate a channel for invite logs, where you can see who invited whom. You might also set up a welcome message that new members receive, making their first impression a great one. This initial setup is crucial for accurate tracking. Now, let's personalize your tracker. You can customize welcome messages, adding a unique touch for every new joiner. Many bots also allow you to set up invite rewards, automatically assigning roles or other perks when members reach a certain number of invites. Remember to exclude any channels or specific invites you don't want tracked to maintain data accuracy. Ongoing monitoring is key to a successful invite tracker. Regularly review your invite statistics to understand your community's growth patterns and identify top inviters. Promptly address any bot errors or permission changes to ensure continuous, accurate tracking. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.